Hello everyone. So right now we are at Advantage Summit 2025 at Hyderabad at ITC Kohinoor, and at this venue we have displayed the entire set of products that Legrand manufactures. Along with that, we have the user interface portfolio, in which you can see at the back we have displayed the standard at the eco segment, the most advanced USB range in the industry. When we talk about advanced, we mean that the fast charging solutions, right from the 20-watt Type C, because now normally a lot of customers are preferring to have Type C because most of the charging communications that people are carrying are having Type C solutions. So Type C 20-watt power delivery, then we have the 30-watt, we have the 45-watt, and we also have the 63-watt power delivery USB charging solutions where you can charge your laptop and your mobile at the same time. Along with that, we also introduced the BLDC fan regulator. Now this is something unique because BLDC fans are coming up big time in the fan industry, and to cater the needs of all those fan regulators where the fan manufacturers, where the fan regulators are required, BLDC suffices that need. So again, in Linkers, in MyLink, we have the BLDC fan regulators. For more product knowledge and to get to see our latest collection of the product ranges, not only in user interface but in all the other segments, we encourage you to please visit the Legrand Advantage Summit 2025 on 3rd and 4th of July at JW Marriott, New Delhi. Thank you.